Welcome to Tami's Maths. It is 11th standard NCERT 9.3 exercise and problem 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have to see problem 2 first. Reduced to intercept form and find their intercept on the axis. There are two equations given. Slope intercept form means, I have done that in the previous video. It is the slope of the line and it is a y-intercept. Intercept form means it is x-intercept and y-intercept. Intercept form of a line is, this is standard intercept form of a line. X by a plus y by b equal to 1 is the standard intercept form of the line, where a will be the x-intercept and b will be the y-intercept. It can be like this. In any pattern it can be. So this is x-intercept and that will be the y-intercept. That's called the intercept form of the line. Okay. So now we have intercept form of the line as x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Where a is the x-intercept and b is the y-intercept. Now I have to find the x-intercept and y-intercept of this by reducing it into the intercept form. So take this. You determine, you will get nothing less than centum in maths. Easy, easy, easy. All you need is a regularity in practice. This is written as divide by 12. What is this? So what is this? Is the intercept form of the line. What is x-intercept? 4. And what is the y-intercept? 6. So intercept form of the line. Intercept form of the line is this. Intercept form. And x-intercept is 4 and y-intercept is 6. Okay, this is problem 2 subdivision 1. Now let's see problem 2 subdivision 2. 4x minus 3y, he has given it as equal to 6. Divide by 6th log. By 6, by 6, by 6. So this will be, what will be this? Divide by, bring it here, do like this. This could be written like this now. So this is the x-intercept. 6 by 4, that is 3 by 2. And this is the y-intercept, that is minus 2. I hope it's clear. Now we go to the next one. So subdivision 1 over, subdivision 2 over, and there is another subdivision. 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Third one. Y is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2 by 3. So draw this line. Y is minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 will be down. This is minus 2 by 3. So, for this, the y-intercept will be minus 2 by 3. And the x-intercept, there is no x-intercept at all. No? So, x-intercept will be 0. So, for this, the intercept will be x-intercept 0, y-intercept minus 2y. That will be for this question. Now our next question. Problem 2 over. Problem 3. Find the distance of the point minus 1, 1 from 12 into x plus 6 is equal to 5 into y minus 2. Find the distance of the point. Always a figure, a rough figure will make it better for you. Find the distance of the point minus 1, 1 from the line 12 into x plus 6 is equal to 5 into y minus 2. This is now 12x plus 12, 72, 5y minus 10. 12x minus 5y plus 72 plus 10 is equal to 0. 12x minus 5y plus 72 plus 10 equal to 0. 12x minus 5y plus 82 is equal to 0. Now this is the line. 12x minus 5y plus 82 equal to 0. Okay. Now what is the perpendicular distance from the point x1, y1 to the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0? I have x1, y1 the point, and this is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. The distance is given by, ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. This is the distance given. Now let's see what will be the distance from here to this line. So the distance from the point minus 1, 1 to the line will be ax1 12 into minus 1 minus 5, y will be 1 here, plus 82 by root of 12 square plus 5 square. So what will be this? Minus 12 minus 5 minus 5 into 1 it is, minus 5 plus 82 by root of 144 plus 25. So what will be this now? This will be now minus 17 plus 82 divided by root of 9, 6 and then 1. Okay, what will be this? 82 minus 17. Be 12. 12 minus 7, 5. And this will be 7. 7 minus 1 will be 6. So this will be 65 divided by 13. What is 65 by 13? This will be 5. Okay. So the perpendicular distance will be 5 modulus. Suppose if it's negative, you will make it positive. Here we are getting it as positive only. This will be the answer for this question. Now the next one. Find a point on the x-axis whose distance from this line are 4 units. Find a point on the x-axis. This is the x-axis. Whose distance from this line. The line is x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. It will be like this. X by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. Find a point on the x-axis whose distance from x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1 is 4 units. This is 4. Okay, let's see. From the x-axis. You can do one thing. Don't want this. Don't want this. Take it like this. X by 3. It's not from the origin. I drew it from the origin. That's not correct. X by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. So this multiply by 12. 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. 4x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. 4x minus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. Let's draw it. A rough 4x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. Now I have a point on the x-axis. The previous one we don't want because it's not the distance from the origin. Find a point on the x-axis. This point is lying on the x-axis. This distance is 4. This distance is 4. Okay? I should find this point. This point is lying on the x-axis. This is on x-axis. Point on the x-axis will be, it will be like x and 0. Y coordinate will be 0. So this will be x and 0. Now what is this perpendicular distance? You can take it as a and 0. You can take it as x and 0, a and 0, whatever you like. This perpendicular distance is a, x1. This will be 0. Minus 12 by, this is modulus. Or let it be like that. I can take care also plus 4 and minus 4. By root of 4 square plus 3 square. This is 4. So 4a minus 12 by 5 is equal to 4. So 4a is equal to 20 plus 12. So 4a is 32. 2 and 3. So a will be 8. Right? So a will be 8. This is one value of a. What is the other value of a? It is a modulus, no? So it may be minus 4 also. So this is minus 4 I can take. If you want, you can put modulus here also. Nothing wrong. You can put modulus here. So when you put modulus here, it can be 4a minus 12 or 12 minus 4a. So this is 4a minus 12. This is 5. That 5 will go there. It will be minus 20. So 4a is minus 20 plus 12. That is minus 8. So a will be minus 2. So we get two values of a. The next value of a will be minus 2. That is regarding this. You have to give both the values, otherwise one value will be missed. Because it is a modulus. The modulus. It is actually, you will find books will put like this. Modulus of a x1 plus b y1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. This will be the perpendicular distance. That's to say it is always positive. So if this goes negative, take the modulus of that. Next will be find distance between parallel lines. Find the distance between parallel lines. One line is 5x plus 8y minus 34 equal to 0. Next is 5x plus 15x, I'm sorry, 15x. Next is 15x plus 8y plus 31 is equal to 0. So we want this distance. We want this distance. This distance is given by modulus of C1 minus C2 by root of a square plus b square. Now suppose if for example you have two lines like this plus something k plus something else, then what you will do is you will divide this by 2 and then proceed, or you can multiply this by 2 also and proceed, because the coefficient should be same. It will be ax like that. It should come. Different coefficients are there. You divide and make it same, or multiply and make it same. So this will be C1 minus C2. C1 minus C2 by root of what is this? Modulus of by this is root of that will be now modulus of minus 65 will be 65i. This is 9, 8 and 2. Root of that will be 17. So answer for this will be 65 by 17. Okay. Next we go for the perpendicular distance between two parallel lines. The last question, which will take just a minute for you. L into x plus y plus p equal to 0. This is L into x plus y minus r equal to 0. We want this distance. So this is now Lx plus Ly plus p equal to 0. This is Lx plus Ly minus r equal to 0. So the perpendicular distance is C1 minus C2 minus of minus r by root of a square is L here, b square is also L here. So this is p plus q, modulus of p plus q by root of 2L square. So this will be modulus of p plus q by root 2 into L. So this will be the answer for the last question. So in our 9.3, we have done 2, 3, 4 and 5. We will continue further in the next video. Practice this. Till then, a happy learning in maths.